Are you all done? Come. You're not sitting on top there. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, put it back, please.
Huh?
Put it back, please, honey. Honey. Okay, take out your shoe. Take out your shoe, honey. Okay, we need to go to school. Take out your shoe.
1, 2, 1.
Hey, take out your shoe, honey. We need to go to school, honey. Come on. Take out your shoe. Hey, hey, hey. Mommy say walk with your body, right? Take off your shoe, honey. Yeah, take off your shoe. Take off your shoe. Take off your shoe.
It's too hot.
It's too hot. You need to take out the Velcro. Where's the Velcro? Yeah. Good job. And take out your shoe. Use 2 hands. Yeah.
Uh-oh.
It dropped. I know. Just leave it there. Okay, that's Mommy's job, honey. Okay, that's Mommy's job. Okay, Mommy will stick it on. Okay, honey. Come. Alright, give it to Mommy. Okay, give it to Mommy. Okay, take off your shoe. We need to go to school already. Come on. Take off your shoe. Take off your shoe. Yeah, take off your shoe. Take off your shoe. Behind? Yeah, behind. Lift it up from behind. Yeah. Do you need help? Do you need help?
It's too hot.
It's too hot. Okay, come. Mommy help you. Yeah. You big boy. Take out from here. Below. Yeah. Is it hard? Yeah, is it hard? Okay, put it back, please. Yeah, put it back. Thank you, honey. Yeah, over there. Thank you. Over here, honey. Yeah, over here. Good job, baby.